everyone, welcome to Genic Education. So the next subject in the G series is electromagnetics. So this subject plays a very important role in the GATE examination, engineering services examination and some other public sector examination, right? So this subject has a equally huge weightage when compared to your other subjects also. Okay, so day by day its importance is increasing in the examination, right? So that's why everyone must focus on this subject, right? Generally the people will be afraid of this subject, right? So I want to say that is no need to afraid from this subject, because all the questions from the electromagnetic theory will be in the basic levels only. Okay, suppose if you are good at basics, if you are clear at basics, definitely you can answer any kind of question in the examination, right? So I want to suggest you this thing, right? So it is having a equally huge weightage when compared to your subject, right? In generally it is having a weightage of 8 to 10 marks. Suppose if I talk about the electronic students, EC students, we will be having 8 to 10 marks on an average. We will be having a weightage of 8 to 10 marks on an average every year in the GATE examination, right? Now if you talk about the electrical, okay, if you talk about the electrical or instrumentation, right? This year means for GATE 2021, right? For GATE 2021, this subject is added for instrumentation also, right? And the syllabus for electrical engineering and instrumentation is same, right? And now this year we are expecting the same weightage for the both branches. Okay, we are expecting. Okay, it may not be possible, but we are expecting that these two branches will be having a same weightage. In general, every year this subject is asked for electrical students on an average of, okay, with a weightage of how much? It is 4 to 5 marks, maximum 4 marks or 5 marks, maximum. Okay, so now according to the previous analysis, right? So now, but for the GATE 2020 paper, okay, this subject is asked for electrical, the weightage of 9 marks. Choose weightage. Okay, if you compare with your machines and some other core subjects, so it is this subject is having a huge weightage in GATE 2020 paper, right? So that's why don't leave this subject. One more time I am advising you to don't leave this subject. Okay, so you must be very careful while reading this subject, while studying this subject, right? Because all the questions will be from the basic levels only. Okay, all the questions will be from the basic level, right? So nowadays the standard of the questions will be reduced, the standard of the questions is reduced and further it will be reduced, I guess, right? So that's why no need to have a confusion that whether to read this subject or not, right? Definitely you must read, because the importance for the subject in the examination is day by day increasing, right? So if you take an ISRO paper, okay, if you take an ISRO paper for electrical engineering, okay, it is asked for 80 marks out of 240 marks. That means see the weightage, how much importance is given to the subject. Okay, so it must be the care must be taken while reading this subject, right? So if you are clear about the basics, if you are clear at the basics, you can answer any kind of question in the examination, right? So all that you want to do, that is you have to follow my crash course. Okay, suppose if I talk about the instrumentation students, if I talk about the instrumentation student, because the subject is added this year, okay, you people may have a fear about the subject. Okay, to avoid that fear, means to face that challenge, you can watch my crash course, because everything is given in a clear cut form. Okay, if you are lacking in the basics, you can go to my crash course. So everything is given, okay, according to the examination point of view, right? So you must be very careful, right? So this is how the weight is. This is how the weight is, and the syllabus for the instrumentation and electrical is same this year for GATE 2021, right? So now, if I talk about the syllabus, now let us talk about the syllabus of the EC. Okay, let us talk about the syllabus of the EC. Okay, it is having a 5 units. There are 5 units are there in the syllabus of EC. The first unit is electrostatics, and magnetostatics, electrostatics and magnetostatics. Okay. Second one is EM wave propagation, EM wave propagation. Third one, transmission lines. Fourth one, waveguides, waveguides. Fifth one, basics of antennas. Fifth one, basics of antennas. There are 5 chapters are there in the syllabus of EC. Okay, basics of antennas. But if you talk about the GATE 2020 paper, means previous year, okay, the basics of radars were also included in this syllabus. But for GATE 2021 paper, so the radars, the basics of the radars part is removed. And one more important thing is here the circular waveguides. Here the circular waveguides are included in the syllabus. The circular waveguides are included in the syllabus. And one more important thing I want you to make you remember, that is most of the people will be having a misunderstanding that the electrostatics and magnetostatics part is not there in the syllabus. Okay, it is a wrong perception and wrong understanding. Okay, it is this first chapter. This first chapter means electrostatics and magnetostatics is there in the syllabus. Strictly I am saying once again, right? This chapter is there in the syllabus. Okay, suppose if you see the syllabus brochure given to you for GATE 2021, okay, the syllabus of the electromagnetics is started with the line Maxwell's equations and their interpretation, right? Maxwell's equations and their interpretation, right? So without having a proper knowledge in electrostatics and magnetostatics, you cannot understand the Maxwell's equation, right? You should have a proper knowledge in the electrostatics and magnetostatics. Then only you will be able to understand the Maxwell's equation and we can interpret these Maxwell's equation, right? So this is the thing. So once again, I am stressing you on this point. I am stressing on this point. Okay. So don't have a misperception that this chapter is not there in the syllabus, right? So it is there in the syllabus. Once again, I am saying you, right? But so if you talk about the weightage out of these 5 chapters, okay, so mostly the questions will be coming from every year. The questions will be coming from these 4 chapters. 80% of questions will be getting from these 4 chapters only. Okay, the remaining weightage is given to the first chapter. But this first chapter is the heart of the subject. This first chapter is the heart of the subject. Otherwise, if you don't know about the first chapter, okay, so no need to read this remaining 4 chapters, right? So this will give you the basic understanding. The first chapter will give you the basic understanding of what is electromagnetics and what is electric field, what is a magnetic field, how the EM wave is generated. Okay, so what are the causes and what are the effects? So if you are able to understand what are the causes and effects, okay, how the effects will be, what is the orientation of that different kind of charges, okay, what are the distributions of different kind of charges and their effects. Okay, if you have a proper knowledge about these things, means electrostatics and magnetostatics, then you can apply those things in EMA propagation, transmission lines, waveguides and antennas. Okay, so that's why I will say that the first chapter is the heart of the subject. Okay, now if I talk about the syllabus of the electrical and instrumentation, okay, this first chapter of this EC, the first chapter of this EC syllabus is the entire syllabus of the electrical and instrumentation. So this only the first chapter is the entire syllabus of the electrical and instrumentation. So for this electrical and instrumentation, no need to read these remaining 4 chapters, right? So this entire 5 chapters of the syllabus of the EC, okay, only this first chapter means electrostatics and magnetostatics is the syllabus of W and IN, right? So this is what all about the weightage and also the syllabus of this electromagnetic subject, okay, for all the 3 branches. Okay, so this year this subject is added for instrumentation. Okay, one more time I am suggesting you to watch my crash course. Okay, to watch my crash course. So everything is given in a clear cut form. Okay, if you have any doubt, and you can message me. Okay, You can message me in the Facebook group also, right? And or otherwise you can also message me in the Telegram group also, right? So this is what all about the weightage and the syllabus of this electromagnetics, right? Now, so what about the this series? Okay, so in this series we will be coming with a great quality questions. Okay, that is compatible with the, those are compatible with the gate examination questions, right? So if you are good at those questions, so if you can understand those questions, the level of those questions, okay, the level of those questions, definitely can solve any question in the gate examination, and also you can expect the questions which are coming in the forthcoming examinations, right? So that's why, so you must be very careful while dealing and reading with the subject. Okay, you follow my YouTube series, means G score G series, right? So definitely it is going to help you. Okay, so in the next video we will come with a good quality questions. Okay, so I hope you will be stay tuned for the best content, right? Thank you very much.